Yeah, there's even a lot of community colleges that offer programs for retirees and stuff like that, where they can go back
Yeah,
and get education on things.
absolutely. So that's another possible use for the funds without paying a penalty, as long as that's something that you'd actually would want to do anyway, right? I don't want
Right.
to say go back to school to avoid paying a penalty. No, 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 no. Don't necessarily let the tax code wag the horse or wag the tail here, because I want you to enjoy your life, not just make decisions only because of the tax code. But if we can consult the tax code and figure out how to maximize your enjoyment of your money and get some of this government interference out, by all means, we're all for that. So it depends on how you want to do it. But worst case scenario, you liquidate it out, you take out the funds, you pay the penalty on the growth, and you're set. And then you put it wherever you want to. Um, but I'm all for the idea of, can we just not even worry about, or how can we lower the expected family contribution to be as low as possible based on where your assets are at? Can't do a whole lot regarding your income. Your income is your income. Whatever it's taxable at is taxable. Can't do anything about that. Yes, you can make, and by the way, some people might say, well, I'll just maximize my 401k contribution. Or if they're a business owner, I'll make a contribution to a pension plan because those have far higher contribution amounts. The question becomes, is the next year, are you taking money out of these plans to pay for college? Because then that money comes right back onto your tax form, which means that it negated everything.